As today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa, or you can say visitor visa for Canada using your IRCC portal account. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So, in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright, guys, so let's proceed. So, guys, in front of you, I have opened this IRCC portal account. I have logged in. So the very first thing you need to do is to have an account. If you don't know how to create, the link is available in the description. You can watch that video first. Once you log in, you are going to click on apply for visitor or transit visa. You need to acknowledge. Basically, it is telling you the documents, what items you need to have ready, and then click on start application. You want to apply for more than one person at the same time. This is basically when you do it for a group, okay? Like example, like you have a couple, you are a couple, your husband, wife, then you can do, okay? I select no, like individual. You want what? I select visitor visa and reason. To be with loved one is critical to provide care for them to attend funeral, join a vessel to take up diplomatic, to travel as a company. Okay, I select this one to visit Canada as a tourist. Okay, to visit nature, I just select this one. To visit Canada, to visit other very consultant for medical procedure. If you do not suit, that's how it is gonna do. Anyway, I'm gonna do for this to visit Canada as a tourist with my spouse, convert, dependent children, parent, step parent, a tutor, which not to do Canada. Okay, here you can provide the details of your case. I'm putting samples, but you do it as per your own case. When will you enter Canada? So do it as per your own case. Let's say you're going in July. When you will leave, you see a unique light identifier. So if you have ever applied before to IRCC, you know this identity number. If you don't have, click on save and continue. But if you have, you provide, because even if you don't provide, they want to find it out, right? So there's no point in hiding it. So you selected to visit Canada as a tourist. Okay. So these are the things you need to provide. Are you applying on behalf of someone else? I select no. This for representative. You do it as per your case. Surname. So I'm just putting sample. You do it as per your own case. Given name or first name. Date of birth. Month. Gender. What document you're trying? I select passport. I select regular. Select the country code. Let's say you are an Indian citizen. So I select India. What is the nationality on your passport? I select India. What's your passport or travel document number? Do it as per your own case. Confirm your passport or travel document number. Can I? Oh, I cannot paste it. Wow. Date of issue. Date of expiry. Are you a green card holder? I select no. Have you held a Canadian visitor with a past 10 years? I select no. Answer as per you. Do you currently hold a valid US non-immigrant with? I select no. Are you traveling to Canada by air? I select yes. Of course, like if you're coming from India, most probably you're gonna come by flight. Okay. Country or territory where you were born. So in this case, I select India. Oh, I'm sorry. City or town where you were born. I select. Are you a citizen of more than one country or territory? I select no. What country or territory are you a citizen of? I select India. I am a citizen of country since birth in most of the cases. Do you have valid national ID number? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide that. Why to hide it? Have you used another name in the past? I select no. What is the residential address? Select your country. I select India. Street address. I'm putting sample, but you do it as per your own case. City or town. Delhi. Postal code. Mailing address same. I select yes. List your current country or territory of residence, then all other country or territories where you have lived for the past 5 years for more than 6 months. Okay, fine. So let's say this guy has not gone out of India in last 5 years. So I select what's your status? Citizen. You can check this box. Currently live. Let's say 2000. I think this was the date of birth I had selected, right? And currently live. Let's select. Biometric. In past 10 years, have you provided your biometrics? I select no. Then you will have to, of course. How much money do you have for your stay in Canada and Canadian dollars? Equivalent. I select 20,000. Is someone giving you money for your stay? I select no. And I go to click on save and continue. Education work. Have you ever studied post-secondary education? I select yes. So typically in India at the age of 18, people join for engineering and pass out in 22. I mean, after 4 years. So in this case, like 2018 and 22, just samples. Oh, institution. No, Delhi IT from. Okay, they're asking year and month. Level of study. Let's say university bachelor's degree. Field of study. Address. Of course, you know the address of your institution. Who doesn't? Street address. Hmm. Military or police service. I select no. Work history. So here you don't have to include uh, percentage. Do not include an entry that you have included above for military, police, and for education. Okay, since the age of 18. So we have already given till 2022 May. So from there, we'll continue. From May, I'll go for June. I'll go ongoing. Work or activity. Management of manufacturing, natural retired sales service, and operators. Wow. Job title, I'll just go for yeah, computer professional. Company with New Delhi IT. Main duties, of course, provide main duties of your job. Don't do like this. And of course, you know the address of your employer. Who doesn't? Street address. Click on save. Okay, now go to next. Do it as per your own case. During 5 years, have you traveled to a country other than the one where you citizen or where you live now? I select no. Travel history. Have you ever stayed in Canada beyond the validity of your stay? So assume this guy has never been to Canada. So definitely this is no. Have you ever been refused visa permit denied into order to leave any country or territory? I select no, but answer as per your own case. Security. Have you ever committed any crime in any country, territory, in the purpose of drugs? No. Have you ever arrested for any criminal activity? I'm putting no for all of them, but you read and understand and then answer. Same I'm doing here too. Medical. Have you had a medical exam performed by IRCC authorized panel physician past 12 months? I select no. In past 2 years, were you diagnosed with tuberculosis? I select no. In last 5 years, have you been in close contact with a person with tuberculosis? I select no. Are you currently receiving dialysis, alcohol addiction, drug or alcohol, mental health condition, and as a syphilis, family? Let's say he's single. The biological adopted or stepchildren, well, he's single, then it's not applicable. So it is asking about his details. Okay. Parent. If you don't know that, you want to do this. But why would you do that? Like if you know, of course. So let's say he's putting his father's name is Peter Smith. So his father, date of birth, let's say he's 2000. So let me make him 1975. Yeah. If it's no more, you can click this. But yeah, I'm just present occupation. 1975 means today he'll be in 50s, right? So present occupation, I'll just write shopkeeper. Parent live at the same address, yes. Is he coming to Canada? No. Same. Now let's add the detail of his mother. Let's say his mother name is Clara Smith. Let's say she is from 1976. Yeah. Country of birth. Vietnam. Homemaker I do. Same address as you. I select yes. Oh, let's see to Canada. No. Save. Now we are good to go. Click on save. What is your native month? Because he is from India, let's assume it's Hindi. Oh, uh, can you communicate English or French? I select English. Which language do you want us to contact you? I select English. Save and continue. Email address. You do nicely. Don't go like this. And this is not something you can copy and paste, but any detail you put in, guys, do verification at least 2 times. Telephone number, at least one you need to provide. Let's say your cellular. Dial code for other when you do. Dial code is good for India. It's 91. Telephone number. Sample, guys. Ah, now you have gone to summary where you have to expand each and every section to see what you have answered. Any change you need, click on edit and do. Now when you click on save and continue, next it's gonna now it's come to document checklist. Passport they have asked, funds, proof of funds, of course, consent, personal information, employer letter, okay, additional document that you wanna upload, okay. And then once you complete the mandatory slots, Then you go to save and continue, where you digitally sign your application and pay the fee. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.